hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful of Education and Initiative. The Thoughts on Education by College Dunia. The Thoughts of Education Initiative is to enrich the user's experience at collegedunia.com and try to bridge a long gap between management and students. So today we have him with us, Dr. Soumnya Hublikar ma'am. He held an Associate Professor and Dean of Engineering at Sanjay Bokre Group of Institutions. So welcome to the interview ma'am. So ma'am, before moving ahead, can you just give a brief introduction of yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Dr. Soumnya Hublikar. I am working at this institute since 2012. I have completed my ME as well as ME in Mechanical Engineering and PhD from VTU University. Recently I have completed, and now I am working as Associate and Dean Engineering in Engineering College.
Great ma'am. So ma'am, shall we start with the interview?
Yes, sure.
So ma'am, my first question to you is that as a Dean of Engineering, how you ensure quality of education to the students?
Actually, as a Dean in Engineering, I have some disciplinary actions in the college. Starting with the university academic calendar. University gives us the calendar which is already prepared by them, and we follow the university calendar that is from the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, and according to their calendar we frame our institute as well as departmental calendar. Actually we have various departments like civil, mechanical, electrical, ENTC and all, and in that calendar we actually include our academics as well as our extracurricular activities, including Sauhard, the gathering, as well as guest lectures, when to have the industrial visits and so on. And then according to that academic calendar, academic activities, we actually prepare the timetable, and those timetable, according to the timetable, all the lectures and practicals will be conducted in each of the departments, and daily attendance of the students is monitored before, and then submission of the fortnight reports like how much syllabus is completed, how many students are present for the class, so that will be monitored, as well as the activities like internal examination, because to have the great academics we should have the continuous assessment of the students. So for that reason we actually take the continuous assessment test as well as mid-semester examination and so on. And finally we promote the students for the discipline of overall college as well as the behavior in the college.
Great ma'am, great. So ma'am, my next question to you is that what are the present and the future accreditations of institute is looking for to ensure the quality of the students?
Actually, I'm sorry sir, I have to add one more thing for this.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So again, for the going back to the other question, the previous one.
Okay.
So again, to ensure the quality of the students. Right now, I just told you about what is the practice which we are going to take that. So now, to ensure the quality, we encourage the students for the positive and inclusive college culture by welcoming the students, by conducting the induction programs and to know about our college. And mainly we focus on the student-centric methods like experiential learning, participative learning by organizing the expert lectures, industrial visits and project-based learning, and also provide the professional development opportunities for teachers by conducting them short-term training programs, faculty development programs for enhancing their skills in the field of research. And also we use the new technology, like we have smart boards in all our classrooms, and we also teach using the videos. And also we have a good relation with the parent and teacher by conducting the parent-teacher meetings, by giving the feedback to the parents regarding what is the strength, weaknesses of their ward, and provide the supportive learning environment by counseling them, tutorial and by mentoring the programs. And finally we gave all the necessary resources like library facility, canteen facility, hostel facility and so on.
Great ma'am. So ma'am, my last question to you is that how do you tend to build an industry connect to bridge industry institute gap?
Actually, first step is to have a MOUs with the nearby industries as well as out of the Sangli and out of state also. So here actually to bridge the connection between industry and institute. So what we do, we arrange the industry visit to those industries where we have actually the MOUs, and we conduct a department advisory board meeting so that industry persons will come to that meeting and they will give their suggestions. So that suppose we have all the theoretical subjects and industry needs something else. So for that they will suggest some courses, and those courses will be added in our curriculum as an add-on courses. and this will be helpful for our students. So when they get the opportunity to work in the companies, so they will be get used to the all those softwares and new training programs. And of course it will be beneficial for the students, for the part of placements, for the faculties, so that they can develop their professional skills, and ultimately it will be beneficial for our institute also.
Great, great. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. This was a very insightful session for everyone. So this was Professor Dr. Soumnya Hublikar, ma'am, Associate Professor and Dean of Engineering. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time.
Thank you very much.